Rosa Parks Circle in downtown Grand Rapids is all decked out for the holidays. One thing is still missing, however, a little bit of snow. Storm teammates Ellen Baca in the tracking center with how it's looking. Ellen.
Hey, Linz, we're going to start seeing snow accumulate tonight. That comes with a really abrupt temperature change. All of us are going to be feeling that drop off in temps, and some of us are going to start seeing some accumulation overnight. We have a winter weather advisory. Notice it's not for everyone in the area, so Montcalm County, Ionia, then over through Calhoun, not included in this, even though we should still see snow in those areas. But the heaviest totals are going to be definitely near the lakeshore and then even as far to the east as 131. This is going to be a really potent system, and it's delayed. Usually we see weather like this at the very least at the end of November, but we've been waiting a long time. Before we see the snow, we're first going to see the rain. We've got a batch of rain that's headed this way, so if you have some evening plans, don't be surprised if you still have temperatures in the 40s and some rain showers before the cold and snow arrive. This system is so strong that just off to the west, we have dozens of blizzard warnings for several counties across 5 states there. Now, luckily for us, we're not going to be seeing a blizzard warning here as the system rolls in for Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, but we are going to see some reductions in visibility, and this is very much lake effect snow style. So natives know what we mean. Be very careful if you're driving near the lakeshore. Abrupt drop-offs in visibility expected with this through Christmas Day. We'll continue to talk about this. More to say. That's all coming up in your forecast.